Boys and girls, this has been, today something amazing happened. So, I don't know if any of you saw, I don't even know which video it was. One of the first videos that I did. I told you about something I was going to put on when I reached my goal today. Ta-da!
The blue shorts.
Them. It has happened. It has happened. I'll show you this. There it is. I did that. 155 now. You'll see that my goal weight is actually 150 because I changed it. I want to lose another 5. Doctor told me if I went too much further, he was going to yank it. So I can't get crazy or anything. But I want to share this with you guys. That goal is realized. And it feels really good. I can't tell you how good. I tried on a couple things that I've always wanted to wear that's been sitting in the back of my closet, and looks good, really good. But that's all I think I had.
It's definitely husband approved.
Yeah, husband approved. Thank you all. I don't know. I'll probably go through and do another couple videos just here and there, but wanted you to know that you do come out on the other side of this. I can remember how sick I was in the beginning. If that's you, just do your best. Just hang with it. Back off if you need to, like I did. Back way back and start over. It does come off. It really does. And I'm just real grateful and thanks for being there for me.
What's your final dose right now?
2.5. Well, 0.25.
0.25 mLs.
Yeah,
okay.
mLs. So
and then what is the?
It's half of a TB syringe, half of a ml.
So now what happens though? What do you do?
Well, I'm gonna stay on that dose for a couple of weeks more, a few weeks more, and see if I can get down to 150. 145 at worst, or at least. I don't know how you want to put that, but anyway, I might go down to 145 just to see what it looks like if my doc will, okay it. After that, he said, I've got to find a maintenance dose because you don't really stop taking this. The game is not over once you get here. You have to maintain it. And from what I understand, if you stop taking the shot, the weight comes back on real fast and with a vengeance. So I don't want that. This was too hard to get to. But honest to God, it's been not so much effort on my part. We went to eat hibachi a little while ago. These shorts actually fit a little better. They would fit a little better had I not done that. I'm just busting at the seams. And all I had was a salad, some of the soup, and a couple of Cokes. And by the time the hibachi got there, I couldn't eat it.
They ate like 2 shrimp and half a scallop.
I ate 2 shrimp and just about cried. I was so full. It's because I can't fit in my little bitty tummy anymore. So, maintenance dose, I don't know what that'll be. I'm going to have to let him tell me. But guys, again, thank you. And I'll be back every now and again. I promise. And we'll have other stuff going on. So, peace. And if you got questions, hit me up. I'll be glad to answer them. And I'm rooting for you. Bye.